Ready to wow your taste buds? Get set for an unforgettable dining experience with lobster ravioli and brown butter sauce. First, let's prep our ravioli. Whether you're using luxurious lobster ravioli or a savory mushroom variety, cook them according to the package instructions, usually just 3-4 minutes in boiling water. Now, onto the the brown butter sauce. In a small pan, melt your butter or vegan butter over medium heat. Add a handful of sage leaves and a clove of minced garlic. Keep stirring until your kitchen is filled with the fragrant aroma of golden brown nutty butter. Finish it off with a splash of fresh lemon zest. Time to bring it all together. Gently toss your perfectly cooked ravioli in the rich buttery sauce. Plate it up, sprinkle with a bit more lemon zest, and get ready to impress. And there you have it. Restaurant quality lobster ravioli with brown butter sauce, made right at home. Bon appetit, gourmet lovers. I don't think people understand how crucial the right drink pairing is for gourmet lobster ravioli. Whether you prefer alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverages, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, for wine enthusiasts, a crisp, chilled Sauvignon Blanc or a buttery Chardonnay will beautifully complement the rich, nutty flavors of our brown butter sauce. The acidity in these wines will cut through the richness, making every bite and sip a harmonious experience. If you lean towards reds, a light-bodied Pinot Noir with its subtle fruitiness can also be a delightful choice. It won't overpower the delicate lobster, but will add a lovely depth to your meal. For those who prefer non-alcoholic options, consider a sparkling elderflower lemonade. The floral notes and effervescence will elevate the dish, adding a refreshing contrast to the savory ravioli. Finally, a simple yet elegant choice is a glass of chilled sparkling water with a twist of lemon or lime. The bubbles and citrus will cleanse your palate, allowing you to fully enjoy every flavor. And there you have it, expertly paired drinks to elevate your gourmet lobster ravioli experience. Cheers to delicious dining at home. Try these drink pairings with your next gourmet lobster ravioli meal and elevate your dining experience. Don't forget to comment below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.